Hi, my name is Maria Jose. I'm a biotechnology engineer, and today I want to talk about something that is trending now that is on everyone's lives data science. So, if we go back a few years ago, most decisions in company were based on intuition. People just relied on the experience or what they thought was right. But now everything is different. We live surrounded by data. Every time we use an app, buy something, or even scrolling on social media is generating information. And that's exactly where data science comes in. Basically, data science is about taking all that data and turning it into something useful. According to the readings, it combines statistics, programming, and knowledge of a specific file to understand problems and make better decisions. So it's not just about numbers, it's about giving a meaning to those numbers. To make it simpler, I like to think of data science as three main parts working together. First, we have statistics and math, which help us find patterns on the data. Then, programming with tools like Python and pandas that let you actually work with the large amounts of data. And finally, domain knowledge, which is what helps you understand what those results mean in real life. Now, having these components is important, but you also need a way to organize everything. That's why methodologies like CRISP-ML exist. It basically gives you a step-by-step process. First, you understand the problem, then the data. You prepare it, build models, evaluate them, and finally use them in real situations. It helps you make you sure everything actually works and makes sense. So, why is data science growing so much right now? Well, mainly because of how much data we are generating every single day. Also, technologies like artificial intelligence and automation are pushing this even more. Companies now depend on data to make decisions, improve processes, and stay competitive. And then the interesting part is that it's happening everywhere. For example, in healthcare, data science helps us predict diseases and improve treatments. In business, it helps us understand customers and improve strategies. And in the industry 4.0, is used to automate process and make systems more efficient. Now, speaking from my perspective in the biotechnology, data science can be used to optimize processes like fermentation, analyze experimental results, and improve efficiency. Even a small improvement can make difference in production. But honestly, I haven't worked professionally in that area yet. However, I am also a volleyball player, and this is where I actually see data science in action in a very real way. In sports, teams constantly analyze statistics. For example, we look at the attack efficiency, serve accuracy, errors, and even on opponent partners. They'll help us make a better strategy before each game. And something I find really interesting is that nowadays more and more teams are using data science in physical training. They track performance, workload, and recovery to improve their results and even prevent injuries. So it's not just about playing better, but it's also training smarter. So for me, this is how data science is not just something technical or limited to labs or companies. It's something that can be applied in real life situations, even in sports. To close, I think data science is a really powerful tool. It helps us move from guessing to actually understand what's happening. And for my professional development, learning data science means having better tools to solve problems and make decisions. And honestly, I think it's only going to become more important in all aspects of our lives. Thank you.